Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about something that always makes my day whenever I hear something like this. I've got a program called the Restoration Profit Academy, and one of the members in the group a couple weeks ago said to me, Scott, I can't believe that I can finally make sense of my P&Ls. That I look at them, I know exactly what's going well, what's not going well. I look at my AAR and I know it's realistic. I don't have to play these mind games with myself and say, well, we really were probably more profitable than the P&Ls would show, but fill in the blank. Or I know the P&L looks like we were really profitable this month, but we took a lot of deposit money for new jobs that we haven't started yet, right? So this all ends if you start doing it the right way, right? So I love when I hear a client have a breakthrough like this, where they can finally look at their P&Ls and they know that they're real. I started in 2005. I've been coaching since 2009. About 2 years into the business, I was exactly where this guy was. I didn't know what was going on with my financials. I didn't know where I was making money, losing money. I wasn't tracking labor to jobs. I wasn't able to see gross profit by job type. I couldn't tell anything. I was running the business by my bank balance, and that is not a healthy way to do it. That is for sure. So probably like most people, pain is what drives change a lot of times, right? So when the pain got great enough for me, when I was sitting up in the middle of the night thinking, oh my gosh, like I've got to figure this out. Finally, it got so great that I decided, okay, I'm not going to live like this anymore. I'm going to find the solution. And I did. And I was so fortunate to have some great mentors who helped me get started on this journey to understanding my financials and then teaching others how to do the same. So that's what I focus on in my coaching program called the Restoration Profit Academy. If you have any questions about that, or you're not ready for a coach and you just want to have a conversation about what the next step is, and you're looking for somebody to give you some encouragement, a nudge, and help you take the first step in the path of getting unstuck, book a call with me. See you in the next video.